Hey folks, Kevin here. Well, it's March 31st, 2023, and today I thought I'd give you a bit of an update on some things that are happening and all. Birdie's up there talking to us as well. So a lot's been going on this winter. He and I have been very busy. One of the things we started working on just 2 nights ago is a new website. Now, some of you have been to our website in the past. It's mindfullivingsanctuary.com. No underscores or anything, and I'll put a link to it in the video description below. So we've decided to go to squarespace.com and start a whole new website, one we're paying for every month for various features and all. And I wrote sort of a first article, a blog, that should be published at this point, so you can see it and you can get an idea of what the website will be about. And we want your involvement as well. We want your feedback, so feel free to comment on the article that I wrote, comment on the layout and the design. We're trying to make it so it's both usable with the mobile phones or other devices that people use, as well as like we use a big screen TV or computer monitors, those sorts of things, desktop. So that's one of the things that we've been spending a lot of time on the last 48 hours. Pretty happy with how it's coming along so far. There's a lot to learn. We are starting a Twitter page for Mindful Living Sanctuary, a Facebook page we've had for a short period of time, but we really haven't been active in it, an Instagram page. If you have any other ideas of what you think would be potentially beneficial for our mission, and that's all of us trying to grow a better tomorrow for ourselves, for our environment, and so on. And again, our ethics are self-care, earth care, people care, and future care. So our goals are pretty ambitious, and we're getting up there in years, but we've got a lot more to do. So we'll be covering lots of topics that I've covered in videos in the past. We'll be covering some of those topics in the future as well. And as you know, we're really cutting back on our gardening this year. We've got a lot more work to do in the food forest and in the forested areas, and dealing with both properties that we're working on now as well. But without me rambling on anymore, oh, and there is another big event, something that I ordered a year ago, showed up today. We'll make a video about that soon. And I think that's about it. So give us some feedback, what you think, what sort of things you'd like to see us cover in the future as well. Right now we've been inundated with working with all the books and all back in the background here. Our upstairs hallway is full of books as well. And our office or master bedroom is also full of books and media as well. So, and the book selling and media selling options are all to help us do the things that we've been planning on doing each year. And I've talked about wanting to plant numerous trees, reforesting areas, recharging our aquifers, those sorts of things. And I think I'll be covering those sorts of articles in the future, as well as covering them on videos as well. So thanks so much for subscribing and being, we just passed 10,000 subscribers to our channel. That's big hooray. So we're pretty excited about that as well. That's on the YouTube channel. So that's about it for today's video, folks. I hope you all are staying safe and sound and staying warm. And by all means, folks, take care, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye now.